So this is what I've got for you today, an old Boy Scouts of America wrist rocket slingshot. We're going to go ahead and make this out of an old cutting board. Now you can use wood, you can use whatever you want, but I'm going to make it out of an old cutting board because that's what I've got lying around. I will link this template in the description below. It'll be on MediaFire, it'll be like a PDF file, whatever. Just go ahead and click on it, download it. If you're interested in this project, stick around. Let's see how it turns out. So I've got my cutting board here, real small one. There you go, you can see how thick that is. That's the exact measurement. Here's my template. I went ahead and cut that out, and it just happens to fit about perfectly on this old cutting board. So if you don't have any old cutting boards lying around, what I suggest you do is, hit the Goodwill, hit the thrift store, whatever. You'll find them for pennies, and they're great for all types of things. Check out some of my other videos. Now up here we've got various sighting notches because these are designed to be held sideways. We've got the holes for the elastic that go through there. Got a hole down here for a wrist strap, whatever, a little bit of extra support. May or may not cut those out. So let's go ahead and get this traced out and get it on the old scroll saw. So here you have it. I went ahead and traced that out. I just used a Sharpie marker. That's it. Let's keep moving. Okay, well here it is all cut out, and you can kind of see how it fits in the hand. Hand's a little big for this. I should have modified it a little bit, but whatever. So the holes will be up here, and then the elastic will come straight back. I think you kind of get the idea. Overall, I like it a lot. I think it turned out pretty good. Let's keep moving. So there you go. I went ahead and drilled those holes out. As you can see, I did not put the side cuts in there. Don't think I'm going to need them. I went ahead and put that lanyard hole in there. I think I will use that. But that's it. Still needs to be cleaned up, and I'm going to go see if I happen to have an old elastic laying around here someplace. I think I might. I'm amazed at the oddball stuff I have lying around the creature shop, but here we go. Crossman elastic from an old wrist rocket. This is going to work out perfectly. So let's go ahead and get it threaded through those holes. Well, that was harder than it should have been, but I finally got it done. Used a little dish soap to be able to get that threaded through there, and then tied a couple knots, and that about sums it up. I think it's going to work pretty darn well. I think I will go ahead and put a lanyard on here at a later date. But as you can see, this old elastic holding up pretty good. And that's the way that she'd work. Pretty cool little project. Thanks for stopping by the shop and spending about 5 minutes with me today. I certainly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. If you didn't enjoy this video, how about you hit that thumbs down button twice for me. You can also follow us on Instagram, see what we're up to throughout the week between videos. At the end of this video, you're going to be given an opportunity to subscribe. That is, if you're looking for some more random content just like this. Hey, I'm also going to give you 2 links. That'll give you a preview of what to expect. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.